Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share the videos. So today we're going to be adding a modification that I think is one of the first mods you should add to any performance vehicle. It's a simple modification. In a second I'm going to show you guys what it is, and let's go. Alright, so she's all cleaned up. Before we start, let me show you. You can see, I think this side has the shadow on it, but she's all washed up. If you guys don't know, she is ceramic coated, PPF all in the front. So what I got today is a JLT oil separator or catch can, and basically this is not an install video, so I'm just going to talk about the catch can and I'm installing it. I'm going to show you guys. So this catch can right here, it's going to go right there, and what it does is it's going to help that recirculation of oil so it doesn't go back into your intake manifold and cause a whole bunch of buildup in your engine, which in the long run can damage your engine. So it's a simple modification, simple hand tools, should be pretty quick, and I'm gonna show you guys the results in a sec. All right, so actually I forgot to talk to you guys about what's inside. So inside this box, I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside. Some instructions, basic stuff. We got the mounting bracket with 2 nuts, 2 screws, and this is it. It's just a basic catch can from JLT 3.0 series. Should be pretty easy to install, and I'll show you guys in a sec. Alright, so there we go. We got the catch can installed. Pretty easy install. Just pop the hoses out, or the one hose out, and then put the mounting bracket on, and it's seamless. Took me like 5-10 minutes, if that, because I don't know, the instruction for some reason said a 12mm and it ended up being a 15, so I don't know if maybe this one's bigger, I don't know, but it was very easy. So there it is, JLT 3.0 series oil catch can on a 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Alright, so there you guys saw, we installed the catch can on the Hellcat. Let me know what you guys think. And then I got a nice little modification coming in, so stay tuned for that. Also got a lot of little fun videos that I'm gonna be working on in the next couple of days. I'm trying to use this GoPro. So I got this GoPro, this is a Hero 9 in case you were wondering, and I barely use it at all. So let me know what the video quality looks like and what you guys think, and I'm gonna try to do a couple more videos with it and see if it, get my money's worth out of it, So with that being said, on to the next one. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.